Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Thursday, September 23rd, 2010. Today we had a total of 6 executable trade signals for a max potential of 6 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups to give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, today was a day of 2 massive swings, and both of them were very fast and created some opportunities in today's market, but also gave a lot of deep pullbacks that shook us out a little bit. We ended up opening up this morning, and as soon as we were opening, we actually had a signal to get long that did produce targets 1, but ended up not getting target 2 as we pulled back to the downside. We actually got stopped out of the second part of the position, and there was a fast move and there was an opportunity to get short. It came up and hit our entry to the tick and went on to hit its target, and when they pull back to the tick like that in the gold lining and you don't get on it on that first opportunity, that's just a no fill. No one in the room that I know of, even with the order there, was able to get filled on that. So you just pull out of that opportunity, and then you can see the market very quickly made a move higher, and we got into what we call an extension entry. And that extension, again, we were able to get the first contract off if you took the extension, but there was news, and on the news, the market prior to news came down, ended up stopping out again that second contract before what ultimately would have been a winner. But we keep a very tight stop methodology in our system, and we take a quick profit. So we ended up again with a quick stop out there, T1 minus 2 on that particular mood. And like I said, as the news came out, then that just shot the market into overdrive. The market started climbing higher, went up, hit yesterday's low, found some resistance there, came down through the moving average, actually created a signal to get short, first contract off. But as you know, this morning was just up, 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 and up. T1 minus 2 on that particular trade, and you know, just kept hitting these little first targets and getting stopped out, first targets getting stopped out as the market continued to climb. And the problem was, on the way up here, there were some key levels we were hitting that could have been a catalyst for this market to turn around. And every time we'd come off one of those levels, we would take our signal, get our first contract off, get stopped out. Another T1 minus 2 heading into lunch there, and then finally right at the 11:15 reversal time frame, you can see that we traded up through our moving average, and we got a signal to get long. That did produce targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks, finally heading into the lunchtime dead zone. Now, it was very interesting during lunch. When we came up to this pivot point, there was a nice long-term opportunity that went all the way back to the FOMC meeting, and there were some folks looking at it, and it was the dead zone. We actually had a signal happen right at our dead zone reversal time frame, but as you know, and I state in here all the time, you know, it's not a wise thing to initiate any new trades during the dead zone, so I'm not going to count this on the video or anything, just like that no fill. I'm just showing you there was the trade set up, it was coming off of a key level, and there was an opportunity for this market to push lower. In fact, the target off this long-term level was all the way down, you know, at the day's lows, and actually beyond, all the way down at the 200-day moving average potentially. So, and you know, it's kind of interesting. The market picked up some momentum, just kind of was grinding lower, grinding lower, grinding lower. Nothing really happening as far as a trading opportunity. There was a quick little reset of our signals right here at about 2 o'clock, and then there was a very fast move down. It provided another extension opportunity. Again, fast moving markets, they're hard to get onto. It came down underneath yesterday's lows, retested that briefly. Again, that's where that opportunity was to get on that extension short. We just take a small bite, T1 and T2 were hit, but as you know, this market then went down all the way back to where we opened up this morning and tested the Globex lows and that kind of thing. So you know, it was really a lot of work today, a lot of trades, 6 trades for little results, 6 ES ticks. But you know, that's how you trade a system. You just keep plugging away, and over time, you know, it works out for you. So, kind of much ado about nothing today. 6 trades, 6 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.